Good morning. It is May the 26th, 2016. Time to kick off another day of trading. It is the last day of the Treasury auction. It's the 7-year. Rarely is the last day sold. And then tomorrow is settlement day. And pre-holiday, the cash government bonds will stop trading at 2 o'clock Eastern, New York time. So people can bail and get out of the office early for a long 3-day weekend. Put it all together, I would expect a trading range market. Expect the trading range to hold. We auctioned at 13.5 and 18.5, so that would make today's auction probably 129.15 right in here. No worse than that. We'll see if that actually happens. Countering this is an E-mini that looks like it's going to take out 2100 this morning, and then we have that high at 2105. Since this rally began, and I think we're up over 300 points, it's been my contention that probably going to see new contract highs before this is over for one reason only. The Fed wants it. There is no selling. It's a one-sided market to the buy side. Everybody and their mother is screaming that it should be sold, but it's not selling. And I mean, this is big money stuff. These are funds that have been burned so many times on the short side that they're more than a little bit gun shy. So we have a market that's only allowed to move up. It can sell, but not for long. The bottom cannot fall out of it at any time, no matter what the news is. So we overnight, probably the biggest news came out of Italy, where they were looking for a +0.4 in retail sales, and they got -0.6. Great Britain's numbers were pretty much as expected. So the news that will impact the trading is going to be durable orders up 0.3. It's down on a year-to-year basis. Transportation up 0.4, down on a year-to-year basis. Jobless claims, the default number 275. Pending home sales +0.8. Natural gas inventories +6.7. And KC Fed -4 last time. Don't know what it is for today. The focus, transportation and maybe pending home sales, but I think the market will resolve around that number. Then it's into the 7-year auction. So right now resistance is at 20, so 19 to 23 sell 1, 27 to 31 sell 2. Just playing for a trading range. On the buy side, 9 to 13, and then 1 to 5 is where I see the note today. Looking at the 30-year. Knob spread came off a little overnight, but again, I just really see a trading range market. So we got 12 to 16 for 1, 5 to 9 is buy 1, 29 to 01 is buy 2. On the sell side, 24 to 28, 1, so 31, 3103 sell 1, 7 to 11 sell 2. Again, trading range market supported by the 7-year auction, no matter what goes on in the stock market. Gold was up a couple of bucks last night. Usually when gold makes new lows or new highs, the next day is a pause day. And we have, right now, we had anticipated some support in this 35 area. We got it for about, hour and a half yesterday, then it broke. So 35 is now resistance, and we have pretty good support down below 20. So just playing where the market is. 32, 34, sell 1. 38 to 40, sell 2. On the buy side, 25, 23, buy 1. And 19 to 21, buy 2. Okay, dollar's off a little bit. Dollar up for 2 days, sell for 1 or 2. Gradually ratcheting higher. Probably the best argument I've seen for gold selling is the dollar rallying. And that gives you 2 reasons to buy U.S. paper. Earn money on your money, and the dollar might go up too. And risk-on investments would be favored in that environment. Okay, basically 112 is resistance. And last rotate up stopped at 87, so 90 to the buck, sell 1. 15 to 25, sell 2. Durable orders comes in as forecast. It should take the euro down. That would mean our economy is strong. Don't have a real strong feeling about which way durable orders would go. My guess is it could come in a little bit lower than forecast. And if that is the case, then the euro would rally. Okay, 50 to 60 is support. We'll drop it down to 25 for buy 2. Crude oil. I've been talking about $50 for a couple of weeks now. I don't see any reason for it not to go to 50. I mean, we're very, very close. The market knows it. Well, here we are at 50. So I don't think we've been this high since maybe last November, October, November. So maybe a little bit higher. Squeeze on. Day session opens up. Liquidity 50, 25, 50, 50. Sell 1. It's going to be key if we're going to take out 50. 50 has to be support right now. 50, 75, 51, sell 2. Made our $50 with our crude oil guru Nancy. My goodness, $40 and 45, and then she finally came out and said $50, and lo and behold, here we are. Good job, Nance. Okay, on the buy side, 49.50, 49 and a quarter, 48.75, 49, buy 2. Okay, there should be some profit taking up here from all the people that positioned for $50. So, good chance the rally stalls as people take profits every time we've hit one of these numbers. It has stalled for a day or two. And then the rally has ensued. 50.65 is a break in the long-term volume, and we kind of lean against that and see if it holds up. Okay, to the E-mini, certainly going to be helped by crude oil. The durable orders numbers are supportive if they come in as forecast. to an M split. The KL split, Frankfurt time, actually might be a little bit better indicator. So when we come and we look at the market, we have that 2105.75 up here is the low volume number. 86 is the high volume number. As long as we trade above 85.87, next stop structurally is 2105.75. 95 is going to be the first market number, so 92.50.95, yesterday's high, is where the first little band of resistance will be. Got to give it some room. 94, 96, sell 1. 99.01, sell 2. Everything is pointed higher. We're dealing with nothing but P's. 85, 87 by 1. 80, 82 by 2. Focus, durable orders, plus 0.3. X transportation, plus 0.4. Jobless claims, 275, the default number. Pending home sales, plus 0.8. Natural gas inventories, plus 6.7. KC Fed, don't know, was -4. That number could definitely come in lower than forecast. Focus, durable orders, X transportation. Jobless claims will both come out at the same time, and then pending home sales. And then technical resistance, 2100, a very round number, previous high at 2105. It'll take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible.